So now let's talk about writing impactful key achievements and responsibilities, because sometimes responsibilities are high level and it's okay to talk about it, but it still has to be very strategic on how you talk about it. But what I see all the time is everybody responsible for some of everything. I'm like, what? Who cares? No. Okay, so here's a sample qualifying statement and that I had to write for somebody just to make sure that we talked about it from a perspective because they didn't necessarily have quantifying results. So she was one of the top 3 awardees of Crawford's recognition program in Q4 2019 due to her excellent performance. She was credited by key customers for timely, personalized responses to homeowner claims. And when I said she was credited by key customers, she also had the emails from them to support it. So not just saying that she credited, she had the emails. So you talking about creating a kudos folder on your desktop, do that and drag any kind of kudos and stuff in there because I look for all of that stuff to craft these documents. She assisted customers throughout the claim process and delivered excellent customer service. Her efforts resulted in customer retention and loyalty. She leveraged expertise in Excel, which is pivot tables, in leading the design of a new tool aimed at streamlining data presentation and analysis for decision making and review. She operationalized the usage of the tool across the department. Now, she didn't use those roles. She said, yeah, everybody using it now. I said, oh, so you operationalized it. So I just turned her words into gold. I said, oh, she said, you sound good. Like, yeah. And so, assembled a high performing team. She recruited and onboarded qualified talent to meet organizational goals, and she adhered to regulatory standards in delivering solutions to address individual concerns of clients served. Now, that's all qualifying statements of value that she brought as a lead in the claim adjusting field. That was it. So this is what she did. So because she started management, she didn't necessarily have responsibility for metrics, but these are things that would lead her to it, especially developing that pivot table that everybody is now using in the company. Now, here's one that's qualifying statements. This is for my director, finance manager that's now a director. So she led and managed a $175 million budget process, which included leading strategy sessions with 2 VPOs. That's director level, not finance manager. Why are you not trying to get that woman some money? But anyway, trained 50 plus operation managers on how to accurately calculate input budgets. She said it was a mess when she got there. She had to clean all of that up and actually train them, which also saved the company money. She streamlined the labor analysis process for 1,700 custodians and $7 million in food costs by building and creating financial tools, invoicing techniques, and standard operating procedures, SOPs, for vendors lacking current systems. She created a financial reporting analysis tool and corresponding SOPs by reconciling monthly accounts in excess of $90 million in annual revenue between the company and the client. Then she generated an additional $275,000 in revenue by creating new operational procedures for school-hosted events. They have events, but they weren't selling chips and drinks. So she implemented that. So now they got more money. Then she boasts a near 100% booking rate of the clients and increased their sales revenue by 33% within 6 months. And she increased sales by 20% in 9 months, resulting in an additional $225,000 in revenue. That girl is bad. She did all of that. She didn't only just do the books and project, but she created revenue streams. So why shouldn't she get that 30%? What? Anyway, that's what she did. So take your value elsewhere. Hand. Okay, anyway.